If you be created a Fiverr account but still haven't landed your first US client, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you step by step how to land your first US client, then even if you have zero reviews. Number 1, choose the right niche. Number 2, set up your Fiverr profile properly. Number 3, use ChatGPT a right professional proposally. Number 4, and friendly, get your first US client even with zero review. So let's start. Most beginner fail on a Fiverr because the choice random skill. They say thing like I will write article, I will design logo. That's too broad. Instead, use this formula: market plus specific service plus clear result. For this, I write blog post, but this I write SEO blog post for US real estate agent. This is powerful and specific. Step 1, research on Fiverr. US real estate blog writing and law firm content writing and SEO blog USA. Now let me show you how to research a nice properly on Fiverr. I am going to the search bar and I will type US real estate blog writing. Now let's look at first seller. Her name is Haley Ace. She is a Fiverr for seller from the United States. She is a completed over 700 orders. Her starting price is $150 for a blog post. That is premium pricing, and she is still getting clients. Why? Because she is positioning herself clearly. Her title says, I will writing compelling real estate blog post. She focus on one industry, real estate. That make her a specialist, not a general writer. And specialist earn more. Now let's look another seller. The seller name is Syed. He has over 1000 review and more than 3,400 complete ordered. He is also marketed as Fiverr choice. That means Fiverr recommended his service. Now look at this pricing. His biggest package start at $130. He still gets consistent order. This tells us that she blog writing is a high demanded service. But notice something important. His title is not generic. He says, I will writing 30 SEO blog post monthly. If seller charges $40 to $100 per project, that means the niche has demand and budget. High paying US niche in 2026. Real estate, law firm, medical and healthcare, finance and investing, SaaS and tech startup. First, log into your Fiverr account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then click on profile. Now click on the edit icon next to your name or a headline. Scroll down and go to the about section. Click on edit and write a client focused description. Do not only talk about yourself. Talk about the client's problem and solution. Now go to the portfolio section. Click on start portfolio and upload your best work samples. Only upload high quality and niche related samples. Step 5, intro video. Now go to the intro video section. Click on add intro video. Record a short 30 to 16-second video introducing yourself and your service. Now go to the skill section and click on add new. Add on a relevant skill related to your service. Do not add random skill. Powerful Indian line. Remember, a strong Fiverr profile builds trust. If your profile looks professional and focused, client will message you. How to use ChatGPT to write a professional proposal. Now, this is most important part. How to use ChatGPT to write professional Fiverr proposal. Step 1. Analyze the client project before writing anything. Read the full job description carefully. Understand their problem. Notice deadline and specific requirements. Never send generic proposal. Step 2. Use a smart prompt in ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and write a smart prompt like this. Write a short, professional Fiverr proposal for a US real estate blog writing project. Mention SEO and lead generation. Keep it under 120 words. Make it confidence and solution focused. Important wording, but don't copy and paste blindly. Edit it, personalize it. Step 3. Perfect proposal structure. Every strong proposal should include 1. Mention their specific project. 2. Offer a clear solution. 3. Show confidence. 4. And with a clear to action. Example proposal. Hi, I read your project about writing SEO blog content for your real estate website. I specialize in creating keyword optimized article that helps US real estate business rank higher and attract qualified leads. I can deliver engaging, well-researched content tailored to your local market. I'd love to discuss your project further and get started right away. Part 5. How to get your first order faster. Strategy 1. Send 1 to 15 personalized proposals daily. Send 1 to 15 personalized proposals every day. Strategy 2. Respond quickly, reply fast, use client, respect speed. Strategy 3. Keep price competitive. In the beginning, your goal is not profit. Your goal is your first 5-star review. Strategy 4. Over deliver. Deliver more than promise. Once you get 2 or 3 strong review, Fiverr's algorithm will start pushing your gig. Final action plan. Day 1. Choose your niche and optimize your profile. Day 2. Create your gig and pricing. Gig title optimize, tags and pricing set. Day 3. Start sending 10 personalized proposals per day. If you are serious about working with US clients in 2026, stop watching random video and start building your Fiverr profile today. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more practical strategies on make money online using AI.